Earlier this year, we were fortunate enough to win Best Google Ads Case Study at the PPC Hub Summit in Copenhagen. And Bob and Miles, the founders of the event, were kind enough to ship us the award directly to home because we couldn't get it back from Copenhagen in our hand luggage. And I just wanted to unbox it here today with you and tell you a bit about the event. So the PPC Hub, if you don't know what it is the largest community of Google Ads professionals in the world. And this really is like the best place to learn Google Ads. And it was a bit of a full circle moment for me because the PPC Hub have very much inspired a lot of the campaigns that we do and the campaigns that we build, and especially the campaign that actually won. The members and also the people that hold the training sessions have very much inspired the results that we generated. But it was so nerve-wracking on the day actually sharing the case study in the event, because you get kind of the ultimate imposter syndrome when you're speaking to people who are quite literally the best in the world at what they do. And so I knew that everything had to be spot on. And the guys that were speaking and holding the sessions throughout the day were incredible, and the caliber of the talks was amazing. It also felt super special as well because the award was picked by live audience vote. So the audience were the guys who selected the winner. And we were lucky enough to be able to tell the story of a client of ours called Tom, who started out when we first started working with him as a smaller business doing about £250,000 a year in revenue. And by the end of it was doing £250,000 a month. And I think the reason why it resonated so much, the story that we told with the audience, is that it wasn't some kind of hack, some AI tool that we'd been sold that won it. It wasn't anything glamorous really that we'd done in the account, but it really was just doing the boring, unrewarding, grueling parts of Google Ads again and again and again and again and again, to the point where it was mind-numbing. And I think that's quite refreshing in 2026, that the basics done well and repeatedly actually outperforms all of these TikTok hacks and the stuff that a lot of the gurus will tell you online. So yeah, super proud moment for us. Our first award, hopefully not the last, but thank you to PPC Hub for hosting it, and also for nominating us in the first place, and then also for everyone in the audience who voted live on the day. Cheers.